In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate app permissions on this device. First of all, you need to access Devices settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access Privacy Protection. Now scroll down again, click on All Permissions, and select one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like Calendar. Now click on one of your apps. I will go with Facebook, and tap on the best option for you, Allow or Don't Allow. I want to set up Allow, so I have to click on it and go back. When I do that, as you can see, Facebook just gained access to my device's calendar. You can always click on one of your apps instead, and this time select See All Facebook Permissions. Now you can manage all of those only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!